Oh my. Hannah's very distracted by what's going on over here. With Tessa's pups. But Hannah, your babies need to look at. They're hungry. They're okay. Just lay down so they can have some milk. Let's see if we can see their faces a little bit. Look up, somebody, so they can see your eyes. There's some eyes. There's some other little eyes. Okay.